Alright everybody, welcome back to AI Collectibles. What I have for you today is the April O'Neil versus the Foot Soldier Bashed from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoon. So what I'm going to do is get these guys unboxed and give my final thoughts on them, so stay tuned. Alright, so here's the pair all posed up out of the box with their accessories. And man, NECA did another bang up job. Now I know April's getting a lot of hate because she's got a big old noggin. And in hand, yeah, she's got a big old nugget on her shoulders. Can blame it on the hair, but man, they should have shrunk that down a bit. Her head is a little too disproportionate for the rest of her body, unfortunately. But, I mean, the accessories that she comes with are great. She's got the little handy cam that's got the Channel 6 News symbol on it. She's got the voice recorder here with the microphone. Also has a separate microphone. They both have a Channel 6 on it. She's got the nice little turtle comm which opens up. She comes with two hands, some kind of totem. I don't know what episode it's from. And this little xenomorph, which is probably from Dimension X, which is pretty cool. Little orange guy with teeth. And then the foot soldier is the same as the other one that came in the KC2 pack. accessory wise, other than his comm has Bebop on it instead of Rocksteady, which is cool. It's a nice little touch. But the guns, the hands, the throwing stars, which I weren't sure if they were Casey's or the foot soldiers, well, they come with this foot soldier too, so they are the foot soldiers. He's got some nice added details because this is the bashed version on his chest. So that's pretty cool. He's got some open computer and some open wires and stuff, which is a nice touch. Now, the only problem I had with this guy out of the box, and I'll have to heat him up, but yeah, his arm came off. And I can probably heat this up and pop her back in there. It's just the joint, wasn't pushed in all the way. So, I mean, it kind of sits there as is, but I'll have to probably throw some heat on there to get it to stay in there the way it should. But other than that, it's my only real two big disappointments is the fact that April's head's too big and that my foot soldier's arm fell off. But other than that, it's the same great attention to detail that they've given us with the rest of this line, so I'm not surprised. I love these two figures. They'll look great posed up on the shelf with the rest of my cartoon figures. So again, like and subscribe, leave a comment below, let me know what you like, what you don't like, and I am out of here.